1, 2, 3. What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and today we're going to be drilling our 3 steps. Recently in my intermediate breaking class, we learned the 3-step, and I told them that the homework was to basically drill them over and over and over till you get them down. So right now, I'm actually going to walk you guys through that drill in case you need some added support. If you guys are interested in joining one of my weekly beginner or intermediate breaking classes, you guys can click the link below, www.patreon.com/VincaniTV, and hop into one of my weekly breaking classes today. All right, without further ado, let's get started with the drill. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we are in the house, and again, we can't be too reckless because within an arm's reach, I could bump into this or this, right? Which could be actually pretty bad and probably hurt my feet a lot. So I'm gonna be really careful, and the way we're gonna do this drill is basically by doing a set of 5, then 10, then 15, and then 20. So 4 sets total, okay? We are gonna take our time for the first 2 and really try to get down the form of the 3-step, right? Since we do have limited space, we can't just like wild out. So our main goal today is to really work on our form, not necessarily the speed of it, okay? So let's get started. Our first set of 5. Ready? Everyone go to your starting position. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, nice job. Everyone rest your hands, shake it out, wiggle your fingers. And again, every single step, I want you guys to really kind of consider your form, even like the placement of your feet, right? And especially be careful, again, if you're inside without shoes, you do want to be careful of your feet. So just be extra cautious in making it clean and being safe. All right, set number 2, doing to 10. Ready? Starting position. And let's also try to face a wall at each point. Really kind of like going back to our form, okay? Ready? And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, nice job. Everyone shake out your fingers, wiggle them out. And the next set that we're gonna do is all the way to 15. For this one, we wanna try to also work on spotting, right? The more you do this, you're gonna start actually feeling a little bit dizzy. So this time, I want you to actually look the direction that you're turning, right? Rather than staring at the floor and, you know, getting yourself work done, okay? This time, all the way to 15, non-stop, taking your time, do not rush this, working on every single step, cleaning it up, and also trying to not make too much noise while you do it. This time, starting this way. Ready? Starting position, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, All right. Nice job, you guys. Wiggle your fingers out, make a fist, open it up, especially if you're doing your footwork on your inner knuckles. They might start hurting, especially when you do footwork slow like that. You put a lot of pressure here and over time it starts kind of having a little bit of pain. So give it a rest. You also might start to develop some calluses here, which is amazing, right? That's like your protection from the ground, right? As you break more, the more those will build, okay? We have one more final step. We've been doing great. Slow and steady, right? Building that form, building our timing, our precision, all that stuff. Our last set, again, all the way to 20. Really try to spot looking like where you're gonna turn, right? So as soon as I go to that push-up position, I'm gonna turn and look at the next direction I'm gonna go, okay? So kind of be aware of that. Ready? Our last 20, all the way, no stopping. If you wanna slow down, you can slow down, but no stopping, okay? Here we go. Again, wipe your hands off if they're getting sweaty, and again, looking the direction you're about to turn. Ready? It goes 1. Look in this direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, 20. All right, nice job, you guys. Shake your hands out, wiggle your fingers, make a fist, roll your wrists out, roll your neck, and that is our 3-step drill using the 5, 10, 15, 20 method. Again, slowly building our strength and also our endurance and form. If you guys want to get better at 3 steps, make sure you guys add this drill to your practices. And if you guys want to train with me more often, make sure you guys hop into my weekly beginner breaking class, weekly intermediate breaking class, or monthly master classes on www.patreon.com/VincaniTV, also linked directly below. If you guys want to support future tutorials, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, leave a comment about what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.